Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have another video for my Christmas journals that I've been working on. I'm trying to get them out quickly. I should have had them out a lot earlier than this, but it's just how it worked out. So I have this one. I actually started this last year for Christmas in July. No, it was before Christmas, I think, and I wanted to get it out in July for Christmas in July, but it just didn't happen. So anyway, I made this really beautiful little golden book journal called The Animals Christmas Eve from a vintage little golden book, and it is a 2-signature book. I believe it's an 1.5 inch spine. It has a tassel with lots of fun ribbons and laces in it and fabric, and then I made a Christmas tree charm, and it has some beads on it too, so that's really fun, very sparkly. And then I covered it with some plaid fabric on the back, just added some ribbon here, and then it has built-in ties with the same fabric. They're just torn. So let's go ahead and open it up here. This will be in my Etsy shop. I'll have all the links down below, and my Etsy listing will have the details as far as the pages and size and everything, but it's a typical, I think, 6 by 8 maybe, or I can't remember. It'll be in the Etsy listing. So let's open it up here. On the inside cover, I just have a pocket that I made with some lace, and then I altered a paint chip card. I had a set of scrapbook paper that had stickers for a Nativity themed scrapbook paper kit, and so that's what I'm making this. So this is a vintage coloring book workbook page. I have lots of vintage Christmas cards in here, pieces that I fussy cut out, and I also included the full card in the book too. So just fun. This is a really fun vintage trim that I found in my stash, like a braided rickrack. I included all the pages from the little golden book, as well as lots of vintage Christmas pages too. So, and then some vintage plain papers like music sheet paper, dyed paper. This is a really cute vintage card. It hasn't been used, but it's one that you fold up and then you put the stamp on the back. I just thought that was really cute, so I stuck that in there. I altered paper clips for this, also sewed throughout. I added a piece from a vintage card on that bingo card. There's music paper in here. Some vintage gift wrap. This is a magazine page, vintage. So this turned out really cute. I really love it. Here's one of the cards. I thought that was super adorable. Here's another card. This is a fun one. It's a half circle one. The other side of that wrapping paper. A vintage lace on that page. I sewed an old CD sleeve on here, so you can stick picture in there or ephemera or whatever. Thought that was a cool little addition. Did a belly band on this side, just added some extra paper there. This was a card or book page that I made into a pocket, and then I added in Away in the Manger music sheet. This is just a ruffle that I made with some fabric. Another book page, or another music sheet of a little town of Bethlehem. There's lots of space in here for journaling and putting your pictures. This is a Christmas envelope, so just made it into a little pocket there. Another vintage card. This is just some stationery. I'm loving this cute little scene here with it's like a baby nativity book. This is some fun vintage embroidered ribbon. It's jam-packed full of vintage Christmas items, so it'll be fun for whoever picks it up. I'll have everything in the description below. This is a really cool card. It's got like some glitter on it. I just made it into a little pocket. This one, I didn't want to take this page out, but it does have a rip in the page. That's just how I found the book, but I taped it up there. There's a bingo card, and then that is the last page and the back cover. And in here is just an altered time card. And there is the back. So a super fun book, just a precious story and everything. This would just be perfect for a December daily or like a prayer journal for Christmas. Whatever. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.